Srisailam Left Bank. Today we are celebrating Global Hand Washing Day. On this occasion, I am here to say the importance of this day. October 15th is Global Hand Washing Day. This year, the Global Hand Washing Day theme focuses the links between hand washing and food, including the food hygiene and nutrition. Hand washing is an important part of keeping food safe, preventing diseases, and helping children to grow strong. Our tagline, Clean Hands, a Recipe for Health, reminds us to make hand washing a part of everyday meal. Here are few ways that you can make this Global Hand Washing Day different. Wash your hands with soap at critical times, especially before eating, cooking or feeding others. Model good hand washing behavior reminds or help others to always wash their hands before eating. Make hand washing part of your family meals. Establish places to wash your hands in the household, in the community, in schools, workplaces and health facilities. Promote effective hand washing behavior change in the research, policies, programs and advocacy. Thank you.
Namaste and good morning to all. This is Jasapit of class 6. I am studying in DAV High School, Srisailam Left Bank. Today I am here to talk about Global Hand Washing Day. Why do we celebrate Global Hand Washing Day? Global Hand Washing Day serves as a yearly reminder that hand washing with soap and water is one of the best steps we can take to avoid getting sick and spreading germs to others. The observance was established by the Global Hand Washing in partnership in 2008. What are the three aims of Global Hand Washing Day? Aims: foster and support a general culture of hand washing in all societies. Shine a spotlight on the state of hand washing in each country. Raise the awareness about the benefits of hand washing with soap. Who is the father of hand hygiene? Semmelweis. Semmelweis is considered not only the father of hand hygiene, but his intervention is also a model of epidemiologically driven strategies to prevent infection. I am very thankful to our principal sir for giving this wonderful opportunity on this great day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Satvik. I am studying in 5th class. October 15th we are celebrating Global Hand Wash Day. Who is known as father of hand hygiene? Semmelweis. Semmelweis is considered not only the father of hand hygiene, but his intervention is also a model of epidemiologically driven strategies to prevent infection. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to one and all. My name is G. Shrutika. I am studying 5th class. October 15th we are celebrating as Global Hand Washing Day. The 2020 Global Hand Washing Day theme is hand hygiene for all. This year's theme that follows the recent global initiative calling on all of the society to scale up hand hygiene, especially through hand washing with soap. Day of year October 15th. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaste and good morning to all. Today we are celebrating Global Hand Washing Day. I would like to tell some tips. Always wash your hands before handling food. Always wash your hands after using the toilet. Wet just enough water to cover your hands. Lather for 20 seconds and rinse with running water. So, my dear friends, clean your hands and save our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning.
important is washing our hands? Global Hand Washing Day is celebrated on October 15 every year. It is first time celebrated on October 15, 2008. Washing our hands is an important thing to do. We should wash our hands up to 6 to 10 times in a day. Washing our hands keeps the germs away. People frequently touch their eyes, nose, and mouth without even realizing it. Germs can enter to our body and make us sick. We should wash our hands before and after eating, after going to toilet, after coming from outside, after sneezing or coughing. In this period of coronavirus, washing our hands played a vital role in saving lives. We should wash our hands at least 20 seconds. Steps to wash your hands. Wet your hands with water and apply some soap or hand wash. Rub your palms together. Rub the back of your hands. Interlink your fingers. Cup your fingers. Clean the thumbs. Rub your palms with your fingers. Wash your hands with water. And dry it with a clean towel. You can use hand sanitizer when there is no water. The theme of Washing Hands 2020 is Hand Hygiene for All, which means everyone should have clean hands and no one should be behind in this theme. Remember, washing our hands for 20 seconds can save your whole life. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Mary Saina. I am studying 6th class. Today we are celebrating here Global Hand Wash Day. What is the most important part of hand washing? In all, there are 5 critical elements to proper hand washing: time, mechanical action, drying, running water, surfaces. Why is hand washing so important in healthcare? Hand hygiene is the most important procedure even to prevent spread bacteria from the environment of the patient to the patient himself. Patients primarily acquire bacteria through HCW hands that are contaminated by the environment. It is always contaminated with good or bad bacteria. Thank you and have a nice day.
Namaste to all. I am Chaitanya from Class 6, DAV High School, Srisharam, Nagpur. October 15 is celebrated as Global Hand Wash Day. On this auspicious occasion, I want to express my views on this. Why is hand washing is important to children? Hand washing is important because it removes germs that cause diseases from the hand, and is doing so helps to prevent the spread of those diseases. The germs will found on our hands. It can be split in 2 types: resident and transient microorganism. How many times should you wash your hands in a day? According to new research of University of College London, you should be looking at washing your hands around 6 to 10 times a day, with findings suggesting that on a washing such a regular basis which help lower chances of contracting coronavirus. I will give instruction how to wash hands neatly. we have to wash our hands up to here and scrub fingers between and do like this and clean neatly. Like this we have to clean our hands up to 20 to 40 seconds. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Advita Reddy. I am studying in 4th class in DAV High School. We are celebrating 15th October as Global Hand Washing Day. Why is hand washing so important? Washing your hands properly is one of the most important things that you can do to prevent and control the spread of many illnesses. Washing your hands will reduce the risk of things like flu, food poisoning and healthcare associated infections being passed from person to person. Thank you.
Namaste to all. I am Sana from class 5. October 15 is a Global Hand Washing Day. The 2020 Global Hand Washing Day theme is Hand Hygiene for All. Seeks to raise awareness of making soap and water available globally, especially in public places, schools and healthcare facilities. Now I am going to tell some points. Clean hands or happy hands. Remember to wash your hands before eating or handling food, after using the toilet, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing, after touching your pets or other animals, after handling rubbish. Thank you.
Namaste to one and all. My name is Brooks Bhattwaj. I am studying in 3rd class, Devi High School. Every year, 15th October, we celebrate World Hand Washing Day. Hands play important role in our life. We do